In this video, we will compare Roon versus Plexamp and see which one is better. So Roon offers an audiophile-grade, immersive desktop experience with deep metadata and DSP, ideal for home listening, but it is expensive. Meanwhile, Plexamp is a budget-friendly, highly responsive mobile-first alternative that excels at on-the-go streaming using the Plex ecosystem. So as for the cost, FlexAmp or requires Flex Plus, which is significantly cheaper than Roon subscription. Now for the usage, Roon is optimized for home while FlexAmp is a single unified app for both, offering stability on the go. The audit quality for this as well, Roon provides superior audit quality. For the library management, Roon handles complex multi-disk sets and varied formats better than Plexamp. Roon offers deep editorial content with magazine layout and integration, while Plexamp features sonic analysis, which is AI-driven music discovery. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you.